Chattooga High School students hosted a vigil to honor the victims. Our photojournalist Emma Gafter was there.
We know their parents. We went to school with them. You know, we coached them when we were coming into the school system. Their parents were playing ball at that time, and so we know them from when they were kids. Yeah, and so we're all connected. Yeah. It's hard for this community. We've had a lot of things go on, and I've been here in this school system for 27 years, and I've never experienced something like this.
We lost 3 young men this past weekend, taken long before their time. Words cannot describe the pain something like this brings. All the questions why seem to go unanswered.
They were athletes, they were friends, but most of all, they were a special part of our one tribe. And they will all be missed.
Yeah, it's sad that we have to come together like this. But we will celebrate these children.
I am so sorry to the family and friends that held these 3 so close to their hearts. Nothing but prayers we're sending to all of them.